Hey Manny, can you say banana? Banana? Good boy. Again, wow, double banana? Very good. Quadruple banana? Can we make it 5? Well done, Manny. 6th banana? Oh my, that's 7. Any more bananas in there, Manny? Any more bananas? An 8th banana. Good job. A 9th banana. Can we get into the double digits? 10th banana. 11. Well done, man. Thank you, Manny. Good job. One more. Stop at lucky number 13. 13 bananas. Well done.